The brake fluid level sender is attached to the underside of the brake fluid reservoir located under the driver's side cowl panel. You do not need to remove the entire cowl to perform this work. Start by removing the rubber trim that runs along the cowl, indicated by the red arrow. There is a set of tabs on the underside of the driver's side cowl, red arrows. Lift the side cowl and slide out the tabs from the main cowl. There is a cross panel covering the brake fluid system, red arrow. Unscrew the two T30 Torx screws along the top, blue arrows, and the one T30 Torx screw, green arrow, holding the cross panel. During reinstallation, you will need to tighten these to a torque of 14 Newton meters or 10 foot-pounds. Use a flathead screwdriver to unclip the wiring harness connected to the cross panel, red arrow. You can now lift up and move the cross panel to gain access to the brake fluid reservoir. Locate the fluid level sensor indicated by the red arrow. Disconnect the electrical connection from the fluid level sensor by pressing down on the release tab, red arrow. You do not need to remove the brake fluid reservoir to replace the sender. We have done it for sake of clarity because it's almost impossible to get a picture of it. To remove the level sender, simply use a push pin to press in on the release tab on the underside of the fluid reservoir, indicated by the red arrow, and pull the lever forward and out. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.